Hi, this is Grisha for Markup plugin. Markup plugin is Figma 2 email plugin with more than 60,000 installs on Figma community. In this video, I will cover the 5 most common issues that web designers face when they start designing emails. The first one is layout. Most designers come from apps and websites, so they start an email with a complex layout. They use absolute positioning, overlays, and a very wide canvas. But email design is much more limited than web design. I would recommend to think about emails like Google Docs. In emails, you cannot place an image over your layout and text, it simply doesn't work. An email layout should be simple. Next is width. Email often opens on a phone or inside a split screen with 2 panels, so the maximum width should be around 800 pixels. My ideal width is 600 pixels. It works everywhere. Typography. Email is very limited here too. Custom fonts do not work on the most popular clients. Gmail and Outlook will not load them. On these platforms, only web-safe fonts work: Arial, Tahoma, Georgia, and a few more. Dark mode. So here are the 3 things to remember. First, do not place text over the images. The text color can invert in Gmail and it becomes unreadable. Second, add white stroke to your black logos. On dark background, a black logo disappears. Test the preview in the Markup plugin. It helps you to check dark mode issues before you send. Email size. Websites have no limit on code weight. Email does. Gmail clips your email if the size is bigger than 100 kilobytes. Your reader will not see the whole email. So this is the reason to simplify your structure and keep your email short. You can check the real size in Figma. Open the Markup plugin, go to the preview section, and here you can see your output file email size.